Hi, I'm Brian Wallander, Field Installations Project Manager here at CSI, and I'm going to talk about this 38W tube weld neck flange. So a lot of feedback we get from customers sometimes is that they're having troubles with a flange adapter for tight spaces. So you can see we've beveled it down here in the middle to provide the least amount of takeoff required for this tube adapter. One great thing about this, it's available in sizes all the way from 1/2 inch up to 10 inch. You can get this in AL6XN, C22, 316, 304, any type of stainless you're looking for. Along with all the benefits of the solid construction, this particular 38W is about 20 to 30% cheaper than the 38BW and the 38MP. So if you're just wanting the standard flange, you want to customize it in the field or in your shop, the 38W is a good option for you. So if you'd like any more information on this 38W tube weld neck flange, you can give me a call at 417-831-1411 or visit csidesigns.com.